In this video, you'll learn how to link ClickUp and Slack so your work and conversations stay perfectly in sync without you constantly switching between tabs. Let's start inside your ClickUp workspace. Once you're logged in and looking at your usual tasks and spaces, the first thing you want to find is the App Center. This is where ClickUp keeps all the integrations and connected tools in one place, including Slack. Look toward the main navigation area of ClickUp. Depending on your layout and any recent design updates, the App Center icon is usually found either in the sidebar or near the top of the screen where your other workspace tools live. It often looks like an apps grid or a collection of small squares. Take a moment to hover over the icons. If you're not sure which one it is, you should see a label appear that says App Center. Once you've found it, go ahead and click the App Center icon to open it. When the App Center loads, you'll see a page with different apps and services that can connect with ClickUp. This can feel a bit overwhelming at first because there are usually quite a few options, but we're going to focus only on Slack. To make this easy, look for the search bar or search field at the top of the App Center page. Click into that search bar, type the word Slack, and wait for the results to appear. You should now see Slack listed as one of the available apps. There may be other tools shown as well, but you'll want to look specifically for the Slack icon and the app name. When you've spotted it, click on Slack to open its integration details. This usually brings up a page or a panel that explains what the Slack integration can do, such as sending notifications from ClickUp into your Slack channels, or letting you create tasks directly from Slack messages. On this Slack integration page, you'll see a button labeled Connect. This button is what actually starts the linking process between ClickUp and Slack. Go ahead and click Connect. At this point, you may be redirected to Slack's sign-in screen, or if you're already signed in, you might go straight to a permission screen. Here, Slack is asking you to confirm that you're okay with this ClickUp workspace connecting to your Slack workspace. Read through the permissions so you understand what kind of information will be shared, such as posting messages in channels or seeing basic workspace details. When you're comfortable, click the button to authorize or allow the connection. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be taken back to ClickUp, where you should now see that Slack is connected. From here, you can usually choose which Slack workspace you're linking, and in some setups, you can pick specific Slack channels that will receive ClickUp notifications. It's a good idea to start with just one or two channels, like a main project channel or a team updates channel, so you don't overwhelm your Slack with too many alerts. After you've confirmed the connection, take a moment to test it. For example, you can create a new task in ClickUp or update an existing one and check whether a notification shows up in the Slack channel you selected. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a message appear in Slack reflecting that action, and that's all you need to do. By clicking the App Center icon, searching for Slack, and hitting Connect, you've successfully linked ClickUp and Slack, making it much easier to keep your tasks and your team communication aligned.